Yeah. But he puts
Alright, so we caught the mud show. Honestly, we caught most of the kamikaze fireflies. We do not need a ride because we're still angle. Are you any good at like destroying the tomato guy?
No.
I ain't either. I'm good at recording it. Oh, we always got Ming, man. He's always out here, Ming the Destroyer. It's awesome. And look at all the costumes. It's always wonderful. So many different venues. Let's go up here to visit some people. There we go. So, getting, oh, look, that's a good outfit. Got the love going on. So many outfits. I normally, when I'm solo, I'll just stop people left and right. It's okay.
Well, you can
Ease it. No, I know. I'm just like, because then it's like I have no one to distract me. It's like, oh no, you're it. Sorry, I don't know what you're doing, but now you're doing this. Oh, look at that fork. Is that not neat? That. Oh no, that pulled me off the walking, man. That's awesome. Is it? Oh, it's real too. You're going to skewer at least, well, 1.5 of me.
You look familiar, and I don't know why.
We promised to never talk about it.
Oh, yeah.
We don't talk about
We don't talk about stuff, so we just never talk about nothing.
Hello. Good,
Hello.
I'm not Phoenix.
Oh, I'm boss.
Boss.
That's it. I mean, that's what other people call Jay.
Jay. Hi,
You've
Jay.
probably seen many pictures and photos and stuff. Everybody's not been doing it for years and years.
I believe
It's most likely it. So this is your busking here, working?
Yeah, working here.
Listen. If I was bad, I could be really bad here. That's all I'm saying. Yes, that's on the recording, but I'm fairly decent. I've been nothing but a perfect gentleman with my fair wife. Is that correct?
Yes.
There, see? Of course, she says yes to everything, but we ain't getting into all that.
Hey now.
Hey now, it's a rock song. Is that a song? Okay, she just demonetized me. All right. Let's go see let's go see him. These are great. I have so many jewels and stuff. Let's go visit. I gotta see my girls here.
And the piper wants his pay. But in a high place where good things never go. Take me to the back room where the fire water flows. And burn around on a bar and lose ourselves in the night. Whiskey, sing a sing song. We make the room now we're going in the floor.
Here we are at Celtic Mayhem, enjoying. walking in the Windsy Woods. I have to give up my fair wife. She has to leave now, so that's fine. We'll see her again someday. Someday.
What? Oh,
Did you enjoy today?
I did. It was fun. Had a good time.
Real good time, air uplifting, real good. All right, let's continue on. We're just walking the path like normal people. That's it. We're normal people. What's that mean? I don't know. Actually, here, this is what we are.
Yeah.
No, that was your cue to read it.
Oh, we're all just a bunch of geeks playing dress up in the woods.
There you
Yes.
go. She missed the cue. There's training involved here. Give us time. Give us time. We're working. She's pretty good. I'm gonna give her a 3.5. No, I'm gonna give her an 8.95 out of 10. How's that sound? 8.95?
That sounds about right.
Sounds about right. I got a solid 6. I'll take that all day long. I didn't give her a chance to say it. I just went ahead and self-proclaimed. The barbarians. No time. We will catch them later. No time. Got to get her out on time because she has to go take a nap or something. I'm not sure exactly.
I go
But
play poker.
poker. Listen, we're not interested in what your behavior is behind closed doors after fair. But okay, you're a married woman. You're a married woman. You'll have to be. Do you still love me? I can't. This most likely will be edited out. But anyways, let's keep walking. That'll be edited out, I'm sure. Good 90%. Oh God, the hills. I did minimal dancing last night. Normally I dance hard. Every Friday I go dancing.
Yeah.
But with fair and me not getting enough sleep, I'm like, I better go easy, which I did. So it's okay. Oh, sorry. No. Hey, that's real. You hear?
What?
That's real.
It is?
The new deck is in, and we have to like.
I like
Just
it.
examining. Oh, look, it's festive. And I forget. I hang around. All these food venues they've added up here makes it a lot better.
Yeah.
But today is normally, historically, this is the lightest day of the year or the season. Opening day.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I mean, historically. Never know, but that's good. I'm just thrilled with this. Look at, we're in breeze and we got wind blowing. What's she doing? Hang on, Matt. What's that? Is she playing something? Can we check for like 1 second and see? Come on. It's like, that's interesting. Are you playing for everybody?
Oh yeah, in a little while.
Okay, I'm like, I ain't seen that, and I'm like, oh, look
Put
at
me in a
that.
really weird spot where I can't tune where I'm actually playing. So by the time I walk back over there, it'll be out of tune because it'll be like 1 degree cooler or something.
Oh, that's what you was doing. Okay, I'm like, ooh, no.
Tune for half an hour before or like 20 minutes before my show because it's got to be tuned.
Thanks everyone for watching the 2025 Ohio Renaissance Festival series. New videos are coming out daily, so don't miss them. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe. And don't forget to like, comment, and share to help others find it. I post videos from events and things to do all around Miamisburg and beyond, so come back anytime to see what's new. I'm Miamisburg Jay, sharing real people, real places, and real stories. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.